Welcome to our comprehensive guide on talent acquisition. In today's competitive market, finding and retaining the right talent is crucial for business success. Talent acquisition isn't just about filling positions, it's about identifying and attracting skilled individuals who can drive your organization forward. As we delve into this guide, we'll explore why talent acquisition plays a vital role in modern business and how it can transform your company's future. Join us on this journey to unlock the strategies and best practices that will elevate your talent acquisition process. In the dynamic landscape of talent acquisition, HR professionals face numerous challenges. Chief among these is the high competition for top talent, making it difficult to attract the best candidates. Skill gaps in the labor market complicate the process, creating a mismatch between job requirements and available skills. Additionally, once talent is acquired, retention becomes critical. Keeping employees engaged and motivated requires continuous effort and resources. These challenges are prevalent across industries and demand strategic solutions. As we delve deeper, we will explore various methods and best practices to overcome these obstacles and enhance your talent acquisition strategies. Tackling these issues head on is the first step towards building a strong and competent workforce. Understanding these difficulties allows us to appreciate the complexity of the talent landscape and sets the foundation for identifying effective solutions. Stay with us as we navigate through this comprehensive guide, sharing insights and actionable steps to optimize your recruitment process. To acquire the right talent, it's essential to understand your organization's specific needs. This begins with identifying the key roles critical to your business operations. Determine the unique skill sets required for each position and how they align with your organizational goals. Understanding skill requirements ensures you're targeting candidates who can effectively fulfill these roles and contribute to your team's success. By defining these needs clearly, you build a foundational strategy that guides the entire recruitment process. By doing so, you shape the rest of your talent acquisition journey. A strong employer brand is crucial in attracting top talent. By showcasing your company culture, core values, and the unique benefits you offer, you can stand out in a crowded market. Successful companies prioritize their employer brand to create a compelling image that resonates with potential candidates. Start by clearly defining your company's mission, vision, and values. Share stories that highlight your team's achievements and the positive work environment you cultivate. Utilize various media channels to tell your story and engage with potential employees. Remember, a strong employer brand not only attracts top talent, but also boosts employee retention and morale. Implementing effective recruitment strategies can be a game changer in finding the best candidates. One impactful method is utilizing social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter provide access to a vast pool of potential candidates and allow for targeted job advertisements. Another valuable strategy is encouraging employee referrals. Employees often know skilled professionals within their network who could be a great fit. By incentivizing referrals, companies can leverage their employees' connections to find high-quality talent. Participating in job fairs and campus recruitment events is also highly effective. These events offer opportunities to engage directly with potential candidates and showcase your company culture and career opportunities. By integrating these strategies, social media, employee referrals, and job fairs, you create a dynamic and proactive recruitment approach. As we continue, we'll explore how leveraging technology can further streamline and enhance the recruitment process. In the rapidly evolving landscape of talent acquisition, leveraging technology has become a game changer. Applicant tracking systems, or ATS, streamline workflows by automating key processes like resume screening and candidate communication, significantly reducing time to hire. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing recruitment with predictive analytics, enhancing candidate matching, and improving decision-making with data-driven insights. Data analytics provides invaluable metrics, allowing recruiters to optimize strategies and forecast recruitment needs accurately. These advancements enhance efficiency and elevate the candidate experience by making the process transparent and responsive. Next, you'll discover how to create a positive candidate experience, ensuring a seamless journey from application to onboarding. Creating a positive candidate experience is crucial in today's competitive talent market. It all starts with clear communication. Keep candidates informed at every stage, setting expectations and building trust. Providing timely feedback is equally important. Whether it's good news or a next step suggestion, prompt responses show respect and appreciation for the candidate's time and effort. Respectful interactions are the cornerstone of a positive experience. Treat each candidate as a valued individual, fostering a sense of respect and inclusion throughout the recruitment process. Promoting diversity and inclusion in recruitment can further elevate your talent acquisition strategy. In today's competitive landscape, promoting diversity and inclusion in your recruitment process is more vital than ever. Embracing diverse perspectives leads to richer ideas and more innovative solutions. Inclusive hiring practices not only attract a broader talent pool, but also foster a culture of belonging within your organization. By actively seeking candidates from varied backgrounds and ensuring fair assessment procedures, you create opportunities for everyone to succeed. This approach enhances your company's reputation and drives long-term success. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into practical steps to create a more diverse and inclusive workforce. Effective onboarding programs, employee engagement, and retention strategies are crucial for ensuring new hires are successfully integrated and retained. Developing a robust onboarding program helps new employees feel welcomed and well-equipped to start their roles confidently. Engaging new hires from the beginning fosters a sense of belonging, boosting productivity and satisfaction. Consistent communication and support during the onboarding process significantly impact long-term retention. Employee engagement isn't just about initial enthusiasm. It's about maintaining a level of commitment through ongoing development opportunities and a positive work environment. Offering career growth, recognizing performance, and creating an inclusive culture reduce turnover rates and retain top talent. Let's look at a real-world example of successful talent acquisition. In this case study, we'll unpack the journey of achieving recruitment excellence. The company faced several challenges, from high competition for top talent to bridging critical skill gaps. By strategically tailoring their approach, they implemented innovative solutions. They leveraged advanced recruitment technologies, revamped their employer branding, and utilized effective recruitment strategies such as targeted social media campaigns, employee referrals, and engaging job fairs. The results were transformative. They not only filled critical roles with high-caliber candidates, but also significantly improved employee retention rates. The enhanced employer brand began attracting a steady stream of top-tier talent, reducing the time and cost per hire. This success was not just about filling positions. It was about building a stronger, more dynamic workforce aligned with the company's long-term goals. Understanding the unique challenges and strategically implementing solutions can yield remarkable outcomes. This example highlights the possibilities when companies adopt a comprehensive approach to talent acquisition. Next, you'll see how measuring recruitment success and adapting to emerging trends can ensure continuous improvement and sustained success. In the world of talent acquisition, measuring recruitment success is crucial. This involves tracking key performance indicators, or KPIs, which give you a clear picture of your recruitment effectiveness. Metrics such as time to hire, cost per hire, and candidate quality are vital for understanding your recruitment process. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Regularly analyze your KPIs to identify areas for improvement. Implement changes and monitor their impact. This ongoing cycle ensures that your recruitment efforts remain efficient and effective. Adapting to changing recruitment trends plays a critical role in staying competitive. In this ever-evolving landscape of talent acquisition, staying competitive means continuously adapting to changing recruitment trends. Emerging trends like AI-driven candidate screening, virtual recruitment events, and data-driven decision-making are reshaping how companies find and engage top talent. To thrive, organizations must evolve their strategies, incorporating these innovations into their recruitment processes. Developing new tactics is a necessity. By staying ahead of industry shifts, you can ensure your organization attracts and retains the best talent, reducing time to hire and improving candidate quality. Enhancing your recruitment approach to incorporate these trends will position your company as a leader in the talent market. When implementing your recruitment strategies, it's vital to ensure you're compliant with all employment laws. Adhering to these regulations protects your organization and fosters trust with your candidates. Equally important are the ethical practices employed during the hiring process. This means treating every candidate fairly, avoiding discrimination, and maintaining transparency throughout. Ethical hiring builds your employer brand and sets the stage for a positive workplace culture. By consistently adhering to legal standards and ethical practices, you build a strong foundation for effective and sustainable talent acquisition. Next, you'll see how other best practices can further enhance your recruitment efforts. The world of talent acquisition is on the cusp of revolutionary change. Emerging innovations and trends are reshaping the landscape, promising new possibilities. From predictive analytics to AI-driven recruitment tools, the future holds vast potential for making talent acquisition smarter and more efficient. Algorithms could help you pinpoint the best candidates, and virtual reality might offer immersive interview experiences. Remote work and globalization are opening doors to a borderless talent pool, allowing companies to tap into diverse skill sets from around the globe. Mobile-first strategies and social media will become even more integral to engaging top talent. Embracing these emerging trends and technologies will ensure your organization thrives. To recap, we've covered the importance of talent acquisition, highlighting its crucial role in modern businesses. We discussed common challenges faced by HR professionals and explored effective strategies to overcome them. From building a strong employer brand to leveraging technology and creating a positive candidate experience, each step is vital. We emphasized the significance of diversity and inclusion, effective onboarding, and measuring recruitment success. Lastly, we looked at future trends and innovations in talent acquisition. Implement these best practices to enhance your recruitment process and stay ahead in the competitive market. Thank you for watching. Apply these strategies to improve your talent acquisition process. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in recruitment. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable insights. Together, let's make talent acquisition smarter and more efficient. Until next time, keep enhancing your recruitment journey. Subscribe now and join our growing community.